I'm gonna cut the wheel liner out.
I had this blackout curtain because it's hard to sleep with the lights are shining through. What I'm personally dealing with. Otherwise, I'm just not sleeping. It works kind of, but I need to solve the light sitch because it's bright. It gets real bright. Last night, somebody sent me a video of a professional tenting contest. I didn't realize people did that. So I clearly have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to this whole YouTube thing, as that's obvious. And we're gonna be road tripping and that kind of thing, so we should try to reach out to somebody. It would be cool if Del Taco would sponsor us, you know, because then we could like go to the different, then we could use the Del Tacos for food. But no, like realistically, I don't know. Like we're gonna go to Galloping Ghost when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So likely the plan is that we'll be going to Utah. That is like a week-long project, you know? And then after that, maybe we'll go to Galloping Ghosts. We're actually getting some work done in the car. Every day it's getting easier. There's some certain challenges, you know, like the lighting. I haven't solved that problem, but, you know, figuring out where things are going to go. And it'll be interesting when we're sleeping, like, in the desert and in forests and random places, Walmart parking lots, I don't know. I know none of you believe me that I'm actually editing in the car, so this is why I'm showing video of it. Part of what we do is mobile mechanics. So about a week ago now, our friend Jason from 80 Nevada had an incident with his Edge where it wouldn't start. So we replaced this battery with the one we had. So yeah, we have this kind of dud battery. So what we're gonna do is not spend hundreds of dollars and get one from AutoZone. We're gonna take this core to the junkyard and we're gonna get one that's remanufactured there. We should have brought the tape measure. We figured out the best size. It was a dumb idea. I like how compact these are. Do the bigger ones have more, like, AH? Once we get the battery, we can start working on the electrical system. We just got in fuses and a cigarette power thing, so we're also going to need to work today. We are getting closer to the goal, so we should be able to probably next week finish our move to Winnemucca. I forgot to hook the wheel liner back up to the bumper, so, you know, it dragged and shredded it. I don't want it to mess up my tire anymore. Okay, we've made it to, I keep trying to get a picture of the sign, but I always park in the wrong spot. We've made it to Henderson Pick Apart, and we are about to exchange the battery, and I also want to look for a few other things. If possible, I would like to get the components to set up the Speeduino for the 1NZ, because it's going to be a long time before we can get it running on the VG or the 4A. So, a couple Yarises here, the same ones that we've been getting stuff off of for a little while now. And there's a XB over there, so we should have everything. We should be able to find everything we need. I'm kind of like hoping for some roof rack kind of solutions, but that's not gonna happen. So it'd be nice to get an extra transmission for the Yaris as well. I'm pretty sure there was some Z's in the yard. That's cool. I bet there's a lot of parts worth a lot of money on these. I just don't know anything about it. Ooh, auto. These are nice. I feel like if we ever get a drift car, G35. No, the 300ZX ain't a drift car. We'll probably gonna drift it though, if we can get to keep it. Okay, so I think we're gonna try to use this Scion to start with, this XB, whatever. just because it's in a good spot in the yard. Nobody's around this area. You sure this is the crank position sensor? That wasn't the right sensor. I'm pretty sure it's like this one. Not this one. This one, sorry. I think this is the cam, and then the crank one is... I'm still looking online and stuff, but it might be something over here. But what I just noticed is this has a cable throttle body. We should take this. We should get this. Because we have an electronic throttle body on ours. Let's go look at the newer one, but we probably need this at some point. One's manual too. I want the transmission and this. I want all of this. Just can't right now. So the sensor we need is, I'm pretty sure, this one. Okay, I never bought the electrical connectors like that one person told me, so I've been having issues getting these off, but the screws have helped. So I think we located all the sensors, and now it's time to get them. Pretty sure that's all the sensors we need. We are also farming these from this Prius. We're gonna get the injectors, hopefully. Injectors, but the injector plugs. Definitely these ignition ones, because we still need two. And I don't know where all the rest of the ignition is, though. I think maybe, or injectors, I think maybe they got pilfered from it already. These Supras are cool. You know me, I like the more FC body style on things. And this thing got wrecked, but its body's pretty straight. I forget what these ones are called. A9 or A1? I was looking for the VIN, but here's the VIN. Yeah, I always like these body styles. Just like the FC and the 300ZX. This is our Junkyard journey haul. Okay, so this battery checked out 100%. It's with the cords and everything, it set us back $70. So let's get to work. At this point, we've taken away all of like the things we can do in the house besides shower. Okay, it's another extremely windy day in Vegas, and we need to put into our earn money bucket of microphone with pop filter. So I'm sorry about that, but we're working towards it. So yeah, we're gonna put that in the thing of things we need to buy. So what I was trying to say was, it's now that we've basically removed everything besides showering, like we're not allowed to do anything in the house anymore besides shower. And you know, we were at the junkyard earlier, and my hands are pretty dirty. They've rubbed off quite a bit on the steering wheel, you know, but like it's good that we're testing this, because it's simple things like washing your hands can become very difficult when you're on the road. Okay, so I was finally able to get clean. I'm excited about that. We're waiting for deliveries, so I, as you know, don't like waiting. We finally got a delivery. I feel like our life is becoming an MMORPG, and I am super okay with that. These are cool. You don't see them very often. I think it's old. I can't find a... I remember seeing these when I was younger, so... But there's no tags on it. It looks like that's the company. I know you're gonna be like, oh, you had batteries this whole time? They're not really that great. They're functional, but not great, so... The one we have now is 100%, 100%. But what we're looking for is the camp stove. The whole reason we painted it was A, for subscriber names, B, for these things. Yeah, I use this for cooking the metal when I made the things. So I melted a bunch of tin, and I made Magic the Gathering coins. Camp stove acquired.